Hello, hello, hello. I am back today, and today I have a kitchen refresh. So let's jump right in. So, as you can see, here is my kitchen, um, and it is a yellow color. When we purchased the house, it was this color, and I have, let's see, maybe if I turn that back off, that might help. I just have a little house rule sign right there. Something that I did for Christmas that I never moved. That's like a little bucket where we throw our shoes at. I have a plant. This is the kitchen table, um, the water machine, and the walls are bare. And those are our trash cans. One is for the trash, the other one is for recycling. So we are going to refresh this kitchen. All right, let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the final cut. This is the kitchen, and as you can see, I did the complete kitchen. This picture here was given to me by a girlfriend. I put the flowers back on the table, put the water machine back. I put my Christmas ornament back, and I put those pictures up. So all of these pictures were given to me. I didn't have to purchase anything, which made my refresh remodel totally free. The only thing I bought was the paint, and I found that in the Oops section of Walmart. That picture that you see, I told you earlier, I got that from Home Goods. And then as me panning out, this is the complete kitchen. So what do you guys think? it looks totally better to me. So much better. That yellow was just, it just was not the look. This light grayish color is giving me all the life, and I am loving it. So just check it out. Breathe it in. I'm just loving it, guys.